So I got 10 likes, and I'm surprised I did. I'm in my car. Was gonna do it outside, but it's too windy, and so I have my windows down so I won't get so hot in here. Random video. Random. It's random. Let's see what I can talk about. I can talk about love. What I looking for a girl is someone kind of like me. Someone that's, caring, adventurous, loving, romantic. You don't have to be romantic. I mean, it's a plus. Someone that will go mudding with me and play video games with me and text me for long distance stuff. Text me during the day, see how I'm doing. Skype. Go on Skype dates. Take Skype pictures. I heard there's other stuff you can do, other sites. Car coming by. What else? Fall asleep on Skype. Or fall asleep on the phone. Someone that would love me for who I am. Crazy style. My pissed off mood. My moody swings. Knowing that I have a learning disability and ADD and still thinks I'm perfect. Doesn't make fun of my speech problem. What else? Someone that will be there for me and love me, and I will do the same, all that stuff for a girl. I am really romantic, and I try to look up romantic stuff to make myself even more romantic. I always find romantic quotes, pictures, and that's how I express or songs. What else? I know everyone wants love, and who doesn't? Seriously. Who doesn't want love? I mean, whoever doesn't want love, they're crazy. But it's hard to find someone that will actually love you and take care of you and be there for you and not use you or abuse you or play you. I've been played so many times, used so many times. I spent lots of money. It's maybe total of all my exes, $6,000 on all my exes. No joke. Because I would buy them stuff. I would fill their tank up. I would fill my tank up. I would pay for their dinner. I would pay for my dinner. I'd give them money if they need it for for stuff. Help pay bills. What else? That just, I'm not complaining about doing it, but it just leaves me broke. Because, it sucks is when I need a girl that would be there for me, and when I need money, they always tell me, they come up with the most lame excuses, and they won't help me. No one will help me. No one will meet me halfway. No one will. I have actually that have never been on a date where someone actually picks me up and pays for my meal. I am always the one driving and picking them up, which I don't mind doing. I really don't mind doing. But once in a while, maybe the girl might say, maybe it's my turn. Maybe I'll come pick you up instead of you always driving to pick me up. Because I'm always sick of driving. I love driving, but sometimes, it just gets tiring, and, I want to, I had an ex-girlfriend I had to drive 2 hours, which I'm not complaining because I loved her so much. But I would drive 2 hours there to see her, and then I'd have to work in the morning, so I'd wake up early, and then drive 2 hours back to work, and then what I do for love, what people do for love. I mean, I would sacrifice anything for a girl I love. I would take a bullet for them. I would do anything for them. That's if I love them. And my friends, don't mess with my friends, because if you piss off my friends or you make them sad or hurt, I will hunt you down. Just joking. But I am protective of my friends. I care about them. I hate seeing people hurt. I hate hurting people. I hate, I just hate it. It sucks. But everyone's gonna get hurt. You can't avoid that. I try to, but, what else? I have tattoos. Long shoulder. Tattoos. I have pictures on Facebook of it. I got, can't see it. I got scars from cutting. From my recent ex. Not blaming her. I kind of started when we were still dating. So, she was an amazing girl, and I didn't take it well, and, I don't know, I can't really talk about it much. Not like she's gonna see this video or anything, but because I doubt 100% she won't, because one, she blocked me, and then, I don't know, I'm still PS3 friends with her, so I still have some connection with her, but not really connection anymore. I'm glad that she's happy, and someone's using one of those, I can't speak today, remote control cars and going up and down this parking lot of Target. What else? But pretty much, people realize, when you've found the one or something and they thought they were the one, but realizing that, maybe they weren't the one. You gotta, first you gotta love yourself before you can love anyone else. And I've gotten to that point where, I'm happy with my life. I'm happy. I love life. I wish I had a job so I could get an apartment and pay for stuff. That would make my life even better so that I can get the hell out of my parents' place. But right now I'm stuck there. I can barely pay my bills because my job is part-time. I'm very lucky for my parents. What else? ADD kicking in. Okay, focus. I look like crap. I am tired. I got no sleep last night. I have no idea why I could not sleep last night. I fall asleep. Tried everything. Took sleeping meds. I've been pretty much laid down in bed all night. And just lay there. I think I might have passed out for like for like maybe 5 minutes, and I woke up because I had a dream of my ex, and I knew that I was sleeping. Because then I woke up, and then I'm like, oh, so I did fall asleep for like 5 minutes, and then I was up for the rest of the night. So I look like I'm tired. I am exhausted. It's really hot outside, especially in my car. But this is a random video you guys asked for. I don't know why. I don't know why people like me, honestly. I have a kid's voice. I'm like 4'9". I don't know. People, what I say, because my eyes are really brown, I call them, one of my exes did not like me doing it, but I would say I have poopy eyes, because of the color of poopy. I said poopy, and boobies. Random. Haha. Random. I put something on, make it even more random, if I can get it. It's hard to do with one hand. Smarticles. No, I look smart. No, I'm not smart. I have a mark on my foot for my iPad. I didn't move it. What else? I'm at Target parking lot, by the way. I have to go in there to get stuff for my mom. She's probably wondering why is it taking long, but knowing her, she knows I take a lot. I like to look around at Target just for fun. It's boring, but it's fun. Not really. So I probably go home and read a book. I just started to read the Pretty Little Liars series. I'm on book 2, and so I'm gonna see how different it is from the TV series it is. I love that show. Oh my god, love it. It's like my new obsession. I get obsessed with stuff, and when I get obsessed, I get obsessed. That's a kind of bad thing about that. But I'm really obsessed with Pretty Little Liars. I love this show. Oh my god. Can't wait till Tuesday. They need to make more shows like this. Like, more. And I heard they're supposed to make a spin-off called something, I don't know. They're making a spin-off for Pretty Little Liars or something like that. So, that's be interesting to check out. I don't know if it's a spin-off or I have no idea, but something to do with Pretty Little Liars.